Okay, so I have some video questions I had to answer for my Biology 2113 lab class. So what I did was I just wrote my answers down on a piece of paper, and I'm going to read my answers to you. So the wrist is distal to the elbow because the wrist is further from the point of attachment. So your elbow and your wrist, and then the point of attachment to your body would be further up, which is your shoulder. So therefore, your wrist is further away than your elbow is. Your elbow is closer to the point of attachment. The back of the head is posterior to the face because the back of the head is towards the back side of the body. So posterior means back side of the body, and the back of your head is obviously on your back and your face is on the front. The neck is inferior to the head because the neck is below the head. Pretty self-explanatory. Your neck is below your head is higher up above, and your neck is lower down below, so therefore your neck is inferior to your head and your head is superior. The wrist is proximal to the fingers because it is closer to the trunk or attached end. So when you're looking at the body like this in biology, your wrist and then your fingers. So your wrist is closer to the attached end because there we go again. Your attached end is your shoulder, and your wrist is closer to your shoulder than your fingers are. Your fingers are further away. The eyes are lateral to the bridge of the nose because they're further away from the midline. So the midline would just be theoretically a straight line down the middle of your body, and your eyes are out to the side and your nose is in the middle. So therefore, your eyes are lateral to your nose. In anatomical position, the index finger is lateral to the little finger because it is farther away from the midline. So here we are in anatomical position again. And so we're looking at your index finger and your little finger. So if you're looking at a straight line down the body, your little finger is closer to the midline and your index finger is farther away from the midline. So that is why the index finger is lateral to the little finger. Thank you. These are my answers.